Hi, my name is Anita Hanachkova and I am a dentist. In my work, I assist my patients in maintaining proper dental hygiene, which is the basis of healthy teeth. That is why I recommend TruLife Sonic toothbrushes at my clinic, which can make taking care of your teeth easier and above all, more effective. Let's take a look at how Sonic technology works, its benefits, and the difference between brushing manually and sonic cleaning. Sonic technology works by oscillating the bristles at high speed, producing gentle vibrations that effectively remove plaque. Using a conventional toothbrush, we are able to manage approximately 600 strokes per minute. TruLife Sonic brush can vibrate up to a rate of 80,000 strokes. In addition, TruLife Sonic toothbrushes drive water and toothpaste into the gaps between the teeth. Compared to brushing manually, the gentle but powerful vibrations are more effective at removing plaque, stains, and bacteria. Sonic technology is more gentle on tooth enamel than using a conventional toothbrush or rotary electric brushes. When we clean with a standard toothbrush, we tend to use our whole arm to perform a circular motion. With sonic cleaning, we simply apply the brush to the teeth and gums, and the brush does the work for us. To achieve the best results, you should repeat the sonic cleaning in the morning and evening for 2 minutes each time. But if you want to spend more time on dental hygiene, you don't have to worry about it causing any harm. Remember that in addition to a proper cleaning technique, it is just as important to regularly change the brush heads. These should be replaced every 3 to 4 months, even if you do not notice significant wear. TruLife Sonic brushes are available for adults and children of different ages, so the whole family can benefit from having beautiful, healthy teeth. I highly recommend TruLife Sonic toothbrushes.
TruLife. We do care.